All right, and this is just like a massive, just hard ball of root here, so I'm just not even gonna use this. In my trash can, my compost bin. All right, so I have this status, and I'm not gonna throw this out. I will go ahead and clean this up, and I will put this in some pots. That way I get to enjoy this through the winter in the greenhouse. And we'll get this one potted in. So I'm going to go ahead and the one that we took Mama out of, they're living in your garden. Yeah. Oh, fire ants. Oh, that's a whole different, that's a whole different thing. We have fire ants here too, but they're not in my garden, and down in Florida too. So that, I don't know, that might cause an exterminator to have to come in. And of course, I think they probably use a pesticide, so that's a bummer. Yeah, those aren't fun to play with. Those hurt. Those fire ants. They're mean. They're mean. You know, maybe you can call an exterminator and talk to them and see if there is, you know, an organic type way to get rid of them. But the ones that I had just the little, no chemicals. I gotcha. But maybe they have something else that takes it in and, you know, can, that would not be a chemical. That would, you know, like they take like a granule into they harvest the granules, they take them into the, what do they call it? Their little nest, I guess, and then it can kind of kill the others too. So that might be something that you could look into. So I'm going to put this one in here. I need a little more soil. And this soil too is dry. So I'm going to go ahead and just wet it in the bag. That way it's breathing that dust. Yeah, you know, I love gardening, but it is a challenge with pests and stuff like that. And there's times too, it's like, some seasons I'm just like, oh my God, forget about this. You know, it's just, we've had massive, each year it's been something different. One year it was this massive hatching of flea beetles, and then one year we had, this past year we had some black aphids. I've never seen them before. And we've had all kinds of different stuff that kind of hatches out, goes through its cycle, I guess, and causes aggravation. But I don't know, I guess gardeners, okay, I'm on an island, Galveston. I'll call the pest company. Yeah, good luck. But I just, you know, I think with gardeners, we don't want to give up. You know, we kind of feel defeated at times, but we always come back to it and try again. You know, we always try to do better the next year, learn from mistakes, and figure out what works, what doesn't work. And then, of course, down here in New Mexico, you know, every summer is different. We had a beautiful summer last year, this past summer with, you know, lots of monsoon rains and lots of moisture, but then we've had other summers here where it's so dry and nothing survives, and so my summers are very different year to year.